Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Up till now we have gone through many videos of Postgres like installation of Postgres relational database, Java database connectivity with Postgres, PHP connection to Postgres, Ajax with PHP, JavaScript, Postgres, Flask with Postgres. Today in this video I am going to deal with new topic, that is trigger in Postgres. I will explain trigger in brief. Trigger are database callback function which are automatically invoked when specified database event occur. To create a trigger in Postgres, steps are: first, create a trigger function using create function. Second, bind trigger function to table using create trigger statement. So we will connect to the database for executing this trigger. Database login. Here I will tell you the tables. Select star from employees Amit Patel and Rahul. These are the records. Then select star from employee audit. This is the table on which the trigger has been fired. Trigger I will fire. Now I will show you the function. Last name changes. Here create or replace function. The function name is last name changes. Returns trigger, because we have just now told you to create a trigger we need to create a function. Language PL PGSQL, this support you need to add while executing the trigger in Postgres. Then dollar sign. Dollar sign is a delimiter you can use to indicate where function definition starts and ends. And here new last name, I will change the name from old name to new name, and in the employee audit the old name will be stored because that is the name that is changed, and it will be automatically stored. It will be not inserted in the employee audit. It will be automatically stored due to trigger. Now we will see here create trigger, last name changes. Name of the trigger is procedure on insert update before on employees on which trigger is fired for each row, and execute procedure. Trigger is also called procedure, last name change function. Now I will execute the function. For executing the function, for execute, function is executed. Now I will execute the trigger. Yes, trigger has been created. Now I will insert the record in, I will change the last name of the first record from Patil to something else, and it will be reflected in the employee audit before, without inserting record in the employee audit. We will see that. Update employees set last name is equal to Murli, where ID is equal to 1. Now these changes will be reflected in the employee audit, and it will be inserted in the employee table. Yes, update 1. Now I will show you. Select star from employees. Here Amit is changed to Murli. Then here Patil has been there because previous name was Patil. So in employee ID, due to trigger, it will be automatically reflected. It will not going to insert before inserting. Okay. So we have successfully implemented trigger in PostgreSQL. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.